And hello there, Kamen Rider friends and folks. This is Mixerwars, and welcome to an episode of Mixerwars Unboxings. And right now, what we have here is the latest figure standard for the Kamen Rider line. We have Kamen Rider Gaim Orange Arms. Yes. So as you can see in the box art, we can see Kamen Rider Gaim here in the Helheim Forest, and of course, we have the driver here. Off to the side, we see Gaim here, front and back, some of the poses that you can do with him, and of course extra manipulators. Off to the other side, we see Kamen Rider Gaim, the details about the show, and of course the details about the kit. And let's see and open up and see what are the bags inside. So first off, we have one bag of screw, which is metallic orange. Yep, because it's orange arms. Second bag has two screws, one all silver, one all blue, and of course a big sticker sheet. Third bag, more of that dark blue color. Next bag we have three screws, one of the dark blue. We have some golden color here and some multicolored screw, and of course the standard stand, we have it here. And let's not forget, we have the instruction manual with Kamen Rider Gaim here. Yes, so this is the 19th rider in the Heisei line to be turned into a figurized standard kit. The next one would be Kiva. Now let's take a look individually at the screws. Okay, so first off, we have the A sprue here, which is a multicolored sprue. We have all black here, we have that dark blue color, and we have some yellow, and of course a clear pattern here for the helmet, for the head, the body, sword. So that's the A sprue here. We also have a B2 sprue, actually two B2s here. Yep, here we go. We have two B2 sprues. Actually, this B2 sprue reminds me of the B2 sprue from Kuga. Yep, which is actually pretty similar. Rather, this is actually from Kuga. So this is the B2 sprue. We have a C1 sprue here, which is more of that dark blue, navy, whatsoever color. It's bluish, navyish, metallicish. Yeah. So these are the legs, arms, manipulators, and feet of Gaim. We also have a C2 here. And we have a D, which is all gold. E, so the metallic sprue continues with the E here. And lastly, the orange, the metallic orange is in the F sprue. Yep, that let's give Gaim the orange arms identity. Of course, we have the standard stand here, and lots of stickers, which I will, as I repeat, not use and just paint them. Yep. And there you have it, Kamen Rider friends and folks. That was what's inside the box of the figurized standard Kamen Rider Gaim Orange Arms. Yes, the 19th Heisei rider to be turned into a figurized standard stand. Yes. So the next one, or probably the last, and all of the 20 riders for the Heisei project is Kiva. So there you have it. That's what we have, and that's what's inside the Fruit Lords figurized standard kit. And this is Mixerwars saying, if you are new to the channel, please do consider subscribing, leaving a like, viewing other videos, and sharing the videos. And until next time, see you and thank you.